We actually met in elementary school. You were my first crush in 5th grade. I proposed at Rice Park, February 7th.
It was a great wedding. We went to Jamaica on our honeymoon.
And 9 months later,
Abby came.
Abby came. At 20 weeks, they had explained that they'd seen an anomaly in the echo. At that point, they had us meet with a cardiologist that Abby had the transposition of the great arteries, and that would need to be surgically corrected shortly after birth because it could be potentially fatal. There was no problems with the surgery. It took till follow-up appointments before we found out about the cardiomyopathy.
We tried to fix it medicinally. She didn't react to the medications, so they put us on the heart transplant list.
When they first came to us and said, hey, your daughter needs to be with an infusion company, we didn't understand what that even meant. We knew there was a local one, and it was the right choice because they offered us support that no other company would. Putting that backpack on her, having her walk was super scary for us. She stumbled and it was hard first dealing with this new equipment on her, but she's strong. She was happy to be out of the hospital and start playing.
It helped Abby to be healthier and happy. She was around her friends, and
Yeah.
she's in such a good spot when the transplant came.
Jocelyn and the crew there were within a phone call at all times. It was just nice to have someone who was hand in hand with us all the way, and they were an advocate for us and Abby's health. Being hospitalized is just not how people are supposed to be. It's just been a constant battle. So going home with a solution that's already been implemented is amazing. And once we get home, we can find our new normal once again. We're gonna have a lifetime of cardiac care. We are a transplant patient forever, but Abby's gonna be normal.